Welcome to this month's General Engineering Pro News Roundup. My name is Rebecca and here are the top stories. China's first large methanol dual-fuel container ship was named at a ceremony held at COSCO Shipping Heavy Industry in Yangshu. The 366-metre long and 51-metre wide ship has set a new benchmark for energy efficiency in the shipping industry due to its numerous environmentally friendly features. One of its most impressive features is an ultra-large methanol storage tank, which allows it to complete a one-way voyage from the Far East to the United States West Coast in methanol mode. Novartis has committed $7.5 million to prostate cancer nonprofit Zero to help launch Zero Prostate Cancer's Blitz the Barriers project. The initiative, which addresses the disparities in health outcomes for prostate cancer patients, aims to save 100,000 lives by 2035 through education, outreach and technology. The project will be piloted in Atlanta and Baltimore, and it plans to expand into 10 more high-risk urban and rural communities in the US. After 10 years of construction, a super sewer that aims to prevent 90% of spills into the River Thames in London has been fully connected. The new system features 21 connections to the original Victorian sewers, and since connections began last autumn, it has prevented more than 5.5 million metres cubed of sewage from entering the river. Tideway CEO Andy Mitchell said, "Our next step is to test it in storm conditions, which is why we are keeping a close eye on the weather, and we will do this over the coming months." The US government's Water Power Technologies Office has unveiled a $112 million fund for wave energy projects. The funding will be spread over 5 years, with up to 17 projects receiving between $2.4 million and $25.3 million. Remy Gruet, Ocean Energy Europe's chief executive, said, "The government rightly identified the huge potential of wave energy as part of its energy transition and is offering a clear path to boost deployment within the next 5 years." As demand grows, more than 500 electric vehicle charging stations are set to be installed in the UAE by the end of 2025. The network expansion is part of the UAE's broader sustainability goals. Sharif Al-Alama, the Under-Secretary for Energy and Petroleum Affairs at the Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure, said that the ministry aims to increase the country's renewable capacity to over 14 gigawatts by 2030. Researchers at the University of Tokyo have found that concrete could be more resilient to neutron radiation than previously believed. Concrete is commonly used in the outer structures of nuclear power plants, but its operating lifetime is limited to around 40 years because it degrades due to the neutron radiation from the reactor. However, after testing quartz, a common ingredient of concrete, research suggests that the rate of deterioration is far less severe than expected. The team now plan to look at how other minerals in concrete behave under neutron radiation. That's all we've got time for today. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn at NES Fircroft for your daily dose of engineering news, career advice and job vacancies. See you next time for our Engineering News Roundup.